Have you ever wondered how cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry? At the heart of this digital transformation is the concept of digital twins, a technological marvel that's redefining the entire manufacturing landscape. Imagine a virtual replica of a physical product, system, or process that mirrors the real-time operations and performance of its physical counterpart. This is what we call a digital twin. This technology establishes a dynamic connection between the digital and physical worlds, enabling manufacturers to gain unprecedented insights and control over their operations. Digital twins are game changers in product lifecycle simulation. They allow comprehensive simulations from the conceptual design phase to prototyping, manufacturing, and maintenance, enhancing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. By using digital twins, manufacturers can optimize product designs, enhance functionality, and identify potential issues before physical prototypes are produced. This process fast-tracks innovation cycles, saving both time and resources. But the power of digital twins doesn't stop at design optimization. They play a pivotal role in real-time monitoring and control of physical assets and processes. With this capability, manufacturers can quickly identify performance deviations and implement corrective measures, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operations. One of the most significant applications of digital twins lies in predictive maintenance. By continuously analyzing data from physical assets, these virtual twins can anticipate equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules, reducing downtime and associated costs. In addition to these applications, digital twins have made their way into supply chain management, fostering transparency and collaboration. They help streamline logistics, monitor inventory levels, and optimize production schedules, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Digital twins also facilitate human-machine interaction, providing intuitive interfaces for design reviews, maintenance planning, and real-time decision-making. This fosters a collaborative ecosystem where humans and machines coexist and cooperate seamlessly. As we delve deeper into the era of Industry 4.0, the synergy between digital twins and other smart technologies becomes more apparent. This interconnectedness amplifies the capabilities of digital twins, offering a holistic approach to manufacturing. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The use of digital twins brings about cybersecurity challenges. It's crucial for manufacturers to implement robust measures to safeguard sensitive data and protect against potential cyber threats in the interconnected digital twin ecosystem. Looking ahead, we see emerging trends such as the incorporation of artificial intelligence and machine learning into digital twins. These advancements promise to further transform manufacturing processes, opening new avenues for exploration and innovation. So, what we see is a technology that's not just transforming product design, but reshaping the entire manufacturing landscape. Digital twins are fostering innovation, efficiency, and a more interconnected and responsive industry. They truly are a testament to the transformative power of technology. Remember, the future of manufacturing is digital, and digital twins are leading the way. So, stay tuned, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support.